So you might be in a situation where for some reason the iOS 18.7.9 update is basically missing. So maybe you're going through and trying to install iOS 18.7.9, but this update is just randomly not showing up. Now the first thing to remember is that this update is only available for the iPhones like the iPhone XS, XS Max, and iPhone XR. It is not available for any other iPhones, so keep that in mind. You basically have to have one of these types of older iPhones to basically even see this update. Now, on top of that, you'll also have to go through and just kind of make sure that you're also going through and making sure you're on Wi-Fi and or your cellular connection. So go through, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or your cell connection as well. That can be another very big thing to keep in mind here. You might also sometimes just have to kind of restart or move your software update panel. So tap on your software update panel right here, tap on software update, and I'd recommend just kind of going through and swiping down and refreshing this particular page. Sometimes all you're going to have to do is just like refresh this page right here, and that can occasionally end up fixing the problem too. You might also just want to go through and start clearing out some storage. So tap on iPhone storage, try clearing out some of the storage that you have here. If you're almost running out, then you might have to just clear it out in order to end up fixing it. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.